the slingers, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, and stroll right into town, and be just like the other men. I'm tired of monkeying around. Ooh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true. An ape like me can learn to be human too. Now don't try to kid me, man cub, and don't get me in a stew. What I desire is man's red fire, so I can be like you. Now give me the secret, man cub, just clue me what to do. Give me the power of man's red flower and make my dreams come true. Now I will ape your mannerisms, and we'll be a set of twins. No one will know where man cub ends and orangutan begins. And when I eat bananas, I won't peel them with my feet, 'cause I'll become a man cub, and learn some etiquette. I want to be like you. I want to walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true. An ape like me can learn to be human too. Can learn to be human too. I want to be like you. I want to